lang. Second runner-up is candidate number number 5. May I call on Brian Escueta and Mr. Ricky Singh to present the Ginoong Ambassador 2024. Candidate number number 13.
Congratulations! Ginoong Kagalang-Galang 2024, Joko Castro from Bulacan.
And now, may I call on Madam Hazel Espinosa, Anna Catherine Luis, the grand winner will be awarded by Ma'am Hazel, and the Ginoong Turismo will be awarded by Miss Anna.
Sa Grand Slam sila ang ambassador na ng Ginoong Kagalang-Galang.
And the Ginoong Turismo is, that means the remaining candidate will be the Ginoong Kagalang-Galang 2024. Ginoong Turismo is candidate number 11.
Congratulations!
And the grand winner is candidate number 12.
Congratulations, number 12! Joey Revilla! You are this year's Ginoong Kagalang-Galang.
Ma'am Hazel,
And now our grand winner, Joey Revilla from Pasig City.
very much for coming. Thank you, Porto Ibiza. All the promoters, managers, thank you. And to all the judges, thank you so much to Clyde Mesa for coming. Thank you so much. And to all the models.
Lahat sila, lahat.
We'd also like to thank our
Lahat
agents,
Yes, so handlers. Ayan, photo off kayo lahat.
mga designers. Thank you so much. Congratulations. Can we have a photo op with our
Yeah.
grand winner?
O, photo off kayo, bilis.
Guys,
Thank you for
Victoria.
coming, guys.
I see a
Victoria
lot of
Ron.
beautiful people.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Congrats.
Thank you.